Let's continue. Okay, so practice problem number 7. A set of speakers is priced at 8,500 before VAT. Calculate the VAT and the total cost. So we're given VAT exclusive price 8,500 pesos, VAT rate 12%. So required the VAT amount and the total cost. So solution, the VAT is equals to 8,500 times 12, 1,020 pesos. The total cost will be 8,500. The original price ay the price before VAT plus the VAT, 1,020, and that's equivalent to 9,520. The final answer, the VAT amount is 1,020 and the total cost is 9,520. Number 8. A printer has a VAT inclusive price of 6,160 pesos. Find the VAT exclusive price and the VAT amount. So given VAT inclusive price 6,160, the VAT rate 12%, required VAT exclusive price and the VAT amount. So solution, the VAT exclusive price is equal to 6,160 divided by 1.12 is equal to 5,500. So the VAT is equal to 6,160 minus 5,500. That's 660 pesos. So final answer, the VAT exclusive price 5,500. The VAT amount is 660 pesos. A clothing shop sells a jacket at 3,360 pesos, including VAT. How much is the price without VAT? So we're given VAT inclusive price 3,360, VAT rate 12%, required price without the VAT. Solution, price without the VAT is equal to 3,360 divided by 1.12 is equal to 3,000 pesos. So the final answer, the VAT exclusive price is 3,000 pesos. Number 10, a gambling console. A gaming console has a VAT exclusive price of 25,000 pesos. Compute the VAT amount and the total price including VAT. So given VAT exclusive price 25,000 pesos, VAT rate 12%, required VAT amount and the total price including VAT. So solution, VAT is equal to 25,000 divided 8 times 0.12, 3,000 pesos. The total price is equal to 25,000 plus 3,000, you have 28,000. So the final answer, VAT is 3,000 pesos. The total price now is 28,000 pesos. MCQ for lesson number 10, calculating value added tax. Number 1, if the VAT rate is 12% and the price before VAT is 12,000 pesos, the VAT amount is A, 1,200, B, 1,440, C, 1,500, and D, 1,600 pesos. Number 2, a washing machine has a value-added tax exclusive price of 22,000. The total value-added tax inclusive price is A, 24,500, B, 25,200, letter C, 25,800, letter D, 26,000 pesos. Number 3, Which formula is correct for finding the BAT amount when the BAT exclusive price is given? Letter A, BAT is equals to the price times BAT rate. BAT amount, letter B, BAT is equals to price divided by BAT rate. C, BAT is equals to price times 1 plus BAT rate. BAT is equals to price minus BAT rate. That's letter D. Number 4, a refrigerator is sold for 33,600 pesos, including VAT. The VAT exclusive price is A, 29,800 pesos, letter B, 30,000 pesos, letter C, 30,500 pesos. Okay, so I wasn't able to include letter D. So, number 5, a table has a BAT inclusive price of 16,800 pesos. If the BAT rate is 12%, the BAT amount is A, 1,800 pesos, letter B, 1,900 pesos, letter C, 2,016, letter D, 2,000 pesos and 20 cents. Number 6, the correct formula to find the VAT exclusive price from a VAT inclusive price is A, VAT exclusive price equals to VAT inclusive price times 1 plus VAT rate. Letter B, VAT exclusive price equals to VAT inclusive price divided by 1 plus VAT rate. Letter C, the VAT exclusive price equal to VAT inclusive price minus the VAT rate. Letter D, VAT exclusive price equals to VAT inclusive price times the VAT rate. Number 7, a printer has a VAT exclusive price of 7,800 pesos. The VAT amount is A, 936 pesos. Letter B, 940 pesos. Letter C, 950 pesos. Letter D, 960 pesos. Number 8, a jacket is sold for 3,360 including VAT. The VAT exclusive price is letter A, 2,980 pesos. Letter B, 3,000 pesos. Letter C, 3,200 pesos. Letter D, 3,250 pesos. Number 9, the VAT rate in the Philippines is generally A, 10%, B, 11%, C, 12%, D, 15%. Number 10, a dining set has a value-added tax exclusive price of 45,000. The VAT inclusive price is 49,800, B, 50,200, C, 50,400, D, 50,600 pesos. Answer key for lesson 10. Please proceed to lesson 11. And the answer key for lesson 9, calculating percentage discounts, is as follows. Letter number 1, B, 180 pesos. Number 2, C, 20%. Number 3, B, 15%. Number 4, C, 50,000 pesos. Number 5, B, 3,000 pesos. Number 6, B, 49,500 pesos. Number 7, C, 16,280 pesos. Number 8, B is equal to 10,000 pesos. Number 9, B is equal to 2,250 pesos. Number 10, C, 10%. Number 11, C, 3,500. And then number 12, C, 22,500. Number 13, 500 C, 500 pesos. Number 14, C, 40,000 pesos. Number 15, B, 25,000 pesos. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.